Uh, Hello student, in last two videos we have learned Euclid division lemma to find HCF and other use of Euclid division lemma. Now we learn an alternative method to find LCM and HCF of two numbers by prime factorization method. So first of all, you know what are prime numbers? Prime numbers which are divisible by itself only are called prime numbers, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These all are called prime numbers. So the given number, we see exercise 1.2. In first question, you have to express each number as a product of its prime factors. For example, first question, first is 140. So we have to factorize 140 into prime factors. मतलब आपको 140 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं जो प्राइम नंबर हो. प्राइम नंबर आप समझ गए, 2, 3, 5, 7, मतलब डिविजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ ओनली. तो 140 you have a method of factorization like this. You have done in small classes also. 2 7 ja 14, again 2, 35 ja, now 5 7 ja, 7 1 ja. So you have prime factor as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. You can see clearly here all numbers, all factors are prime numbers here, right? So 2 is repeated 2 times, so we can write it 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. This is called prime factors of 140. Clear? So this is how we can convert a number into its prime factors. Clear? So in question number 1 you have to find prime factors of other numbers, which are your homework. Okay, now we see the second question. The second question is find LCM and HCF of following numbers. We see second one, 510 and 92. We have to find LCM and HCF of these two numbers and also verify. Clear? So what is, see, the first number is X. Suppose it is X, it is Y. We know that the formula is the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, this is equal to LCM is equal to product of LCM and HCF of these two numbers. This is the relation between product of two numbers and their LCM and HCF. Clear? So this relation we have to verify in this particular question also. LCM and HCF फाइंड भी करना है और आपको इस रिलेशन को वेरीफाई करके भी बताना है कि इट इज ट्रू. क्लियर? तो इन सॉल्व व्हाट वी डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ बोथ द नंबर्स. सो प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 510. So you can do like you did in small classes also factorization, or we can solve it 51. 510 can be written as 51 into 10 also. Clear? This 51 can be written 3 into 17. Now you can see clearly 3 and 17 both are prime numbers. This 10 is not a prime number, so we can write it 2 into 5 also. Now in this step you can see each factors are prime numbers. That means they are not converted into more smaller parts. 17 cannot be written in the product of other two numbers. That means all are prime numbers. So prime factors of 510 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 we get. Clear? Similarly, prime factors of 92. So 92 can be 2 into what? 46. 2 into 46 is 92. Clear? Now 46 again, 2 into 23, 2 into 23 we can write it. 2 into 23 is 46. Now you can see all the factors are now prime numbers. So prime factors of 92, we have what? 2 power 2 into 23. These are the prime factors of 510 and these are the prime factors of 92. Clear? Now to find HCF. To find HCF of 510 and 92 by prime factorization method, what you have to see here, you have to see first of all what are the common factors in both the numbers. So you have only 2 as common factor, 3 here but here not, 5 is here but here it is unavailable. Similarly 17 and 23 are not common. So first of all you have to see what? Common factor. And you have to choose, now 2 is common in both. So if we choose HCF, we will take the smaller power of that common factor, that is 2 to the power 1 only. So HCF of 510 and 92 will be 2 only. Clear? Now to find LCM of 510 and 92, what we have to do is we will take the highest power of each factors in both. That means 2 is there, 2 to the power 2 is there, so we take 2 to the power 2, highest power. Clear? Similarly 3 is there but 3 is not there. If 3 is not there, then it is having 3 to the power 0, that means. Now you can see the highest power is 3 to the power 1. So we take 3 also. Similarly 5 is there but 5 is not there. So again 5 to the power 0 we can count here. Again the highest power of 5 is 1. So we take 5 to the power 1. That means the highest power of all prime factors will be the LCM of given numbers. Similarly 17 is not there. 17 is there but here is not. So we take 17 because here we can assume that 17 to the power 0 is there. Any number power having power 0 means 1 and 1 is in multiply with any number, it is always with any number. 2 can be written 2 into 1 also. 5 means 5 into 1. 10 means 10 into 1. Clear? Similarly 23 to the power 1 there, you can assume 23 to the power 0 here, so we take 23 also. So So this will be the LCM of 510 and 92. This clear? So this is how we can find HCF and LCM. Now verification. So your formula is product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. That means product of LCM and HCF. So see, to verify we will find LHS of this. Taking LHS, that means LHS what? Product of two number. So your two number is 510 and 92. So what is the product of these two number? 0, 92 into 51 और कर लेते हैं अपन, है ना. 92, 5 2 जा 10, 5 9 जा 45 and 1 46, that is 4692. 46,920. This is the value of our LHS, that means value of product of two numbers. Now this is your equation number 3rd. Suppose again we find RHS. If LHS and RHS comes equal to each other, then our relation is verified. Now RHS is what? LCM into HCF. So what is LCM? 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Clear? And what is HCF? HCF is 2. Right? Now you just factorize 510. 2 3 5 17. 2 3 5 17 तो आपका हो गया क्या? 2 3 5 17. इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या था आपके पास? 510. अब इसका 2 मैंने इसमें साथ में लिख लिया था. अभी एक ये वाला 2 ले लिया. 2 3 5 17 ये. तो अब क्या बचा आपके पास? सेकेंड 2 square into 23. 2 square into 23 means what? 92. So again you get what? 510 and 92. That means product is same. How much? 46,920 again. So by equation 3rd and 4, we are getting what? LHS equal RHS and relation is verified. Clear? So this is how we can find LCM and HCF of two numbers by prime factorization method. In HCF what you have to take? You have to take only common factors and smallest power of common factor, we can say. In HCF what we have to find? We have common factor 2 in both, and in both common factor the smallest power is 2 to the power 1. So we take 2 to the power 1 only. There is no common factor available in both. So HCF will be 2 only. If to find LCM what we do? We take highest power of each factor present in both prime factors. 2 power 2 is there, 2 power 2 is there, so we take only 2 to the power 2. If there is no common factor available, then we take all numbers same, that means 3 5 17 and this 23 will also come in LCM. Very clear? Okay, you can note. Now we will find the LCM and HCF of 3 given numbers by prime factorization method. That is the first question of 3rd question. The given numbers are 12, 15 and 21. We have to find LCM and HCF both. So in solve, first of all, find prime factors of 12. So 12 can be written 4 into 3. but 4 is not a prime number, so we can write 4 as 2 to the power 2. Now you can see 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. That means prime factors of 12 will be 2 square into 3. Clear? This is our equation number 1, suppose. Now find prime factors of second number is factors of 15. 15 can be 3 into 5. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, so prime factors of 15 will be 3 into 5 only, right? This is our equation number 2. Again, prime factors of 21, that will be 3 into 7. 3 7 ja 21. Both are prime numbers, so prime factors of 21 will be 3 and 7. This is equation number 3. Now then, what will be the HCF? Yes,
2 square 3 2 square
no, HCF we will search for common factor.
3
Search common factor which will lie in all 3 prime factorization. So only 3 we have as common factor, you can see. So HCF is equal to how much? 3. To find LCM, we will take what? Highest power of each factors. So first of all, take 2. So 2 is there. 2 here, 2 upside, that means we have 2 power 0. Here also 2 power 0. The highest power is this much. So we take 2 to the power 2. Right? 2 to the power 2. 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. That means 3 only comes. Highest power is same in all. 5 power 1 and 7 power 1. Any doubt? So what is? 4 3 ja 12, 7 5 ja 35, 12 5 ja 66, 12 3 ja 36, 36 and 6 42. So 420 will be LCM of this. So HCF is 3 and LCM is 420. Clear? This is your. Now we see question number 4. In question number 4, we have given that the HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. So let given numbers be x is equal to 306 को हमने x कंसीडर कर लिया है एंड y is equal to 657. These two numbers are given and their HCF also given. What is given? HCF of 306 657 is how much? 9. We have to find LCM of these two numbers. This is question. So similarly what we do, we put formula. What is your formula? Formula is the product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF of two numbers. So product of two numbers. What are your two numbers? 306 into 657. These are two. The product of these two numbers will be 306 and 657. LCM, we have to find LCM, and HCF is given how much? 9. So put the value of HCF 9. Side change 9. So you get how much? 306 into 657 by 9 is equal to what? LCM. Divide this. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, remains 3 here, 9 4 ja 36, become 36. So you get LCM is equal to how much? 34 into 657. Now product of 34 into 657 will be your LCM. You can do by yourself this. Clear? The product, the answer will be your LCM. You can do? Okay.